so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cake for a dog. My family used to do this for our dogs when we were growing up, so I know how to do this. So let's go for the steps. The first thing that you have to do is you have to preheat the oven according to the box, which I have a glass pan, so it's 350. So I did that. So now you have to get everything together, like the mix, vegetable oil, water, eggs, and like the bowl and the whisk and everything. You have to take all the ingredients and put it into the bowl. So we have 1.5 cup of vegetable oil. And then we have 1 cup of water. And then after that we have to take the 3 eggs and just crack them in. Make sure not to get any eggshells in the mix. Next, take out the cake mix. Make sure it's not chocolate because your dog can't eat chocolate. So open the bag, and then we have to pour it into the. You might want to just like pour half of it, and then whisk it, and then pour the other half so it's easier to whisk. So after whisking a while, it eventually looks like this. And so then you have to grease this Crisco stuff to grease the pan, and my pan is glass. So after that, you have to pour the cake batter into the pan. After a while, you have to scoop it in there with a spoon too. Once you're done scooping it in there and the oven beeps when it's the right temperature, you just have to put it in. After you do that, you have to put in for the right amount of time. So on the box it says like 28 minutes, so that's what it'll do. And that's it for now, besides cleaning up everything that needs to be cleaned up. Okay, so the oven beeped, so I have to take out the cake, the oven mitts. And then I just have to wait for it to cool down before I can cut it. The cake is cooled off, and so now we have to cut it to make it look like a dog bone shape. So I'm gonna cut like 2 trapezoidish shapes on the longer sides, then 2 on the shorter sides, and kind of like fix it after. So I cut the cake in a dog bone shape, and it looks kind of like this. And there's like one side which is a little small, but now I just have to ice the cake. So I'm going to ice the cake. It's hard around the edges, but the middle's pretty easy to like spread it over. It's important to do this when the cake is cold or colder, because if it's warm, then the icing will kind of melt. So I finished icing the cake, and this is what it looks like. You can put like treats and stuff if you want, like decorate it, but you don't have to. Those are the steps to make a cake for your dog. It's fairly easy and not that time consuming, besides the icing part. And it's not either my dog's birthday, but they'll be pretty happy to eat it anyway. So you can also cut yourself a piece, hopefully without the dog treats on it.